Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can download Cyberpunk 2077 on your Android phone. It's really easy, so without any wasting more time, let's get right into it. So the first thing that you are going to want to do is just go on your Google search bar right here and just type in download Cyberpunk 2069. Okay, once you've searched for it, you are going to want to go on the first result. Just scroll down until you see the download button. Here we are just going to download the app. Our link is ready right now, so I'm just going to download it. As you can see right here, yes, I want to keep it. Just click on OK, and as you can see right here is downloading. Now it's done and we are just going to hit install. Just waiting for it to install. Now we can open it, and that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed the game. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.